It's like, I'm gonna get hurt so bad. It's like the femoral artery is right there.
Could possibly go wrong here.
Yeah, I was doing it, I told Parker and then, because I started with this.